All right, easy now. Watch your step. Clear on the left side. Keep moving forward. Easy now. Keep moving. Straight ahead to the gates.
डेरे शाबाश आराम से बहुत बढ़िया आगे चलो
Keep moving forward now, slowly. The next group is ready.
Flaw detected here, a deep scratch. Documenting the removal of Section 3.
Synchronous. The cleaned camel leather passes through automated conditioning machines where premium leather oils and the softened leather enters a humidity-controlled conditioning chamber where advanced climate systems balance the moisture content evenly throughout every hide. Tasers. Robotic coating machines apply a transparent protective finish across every leather sheet to improve durability, flexibility, stain.
Automatic edge finishing machines polish every leather panel while applying protective edge treatments that prevent cracking and improve long. The embossed leather cloth enters automated conditioning chambers, where nourishing leather creams and premium finishing oils restore.
The ultrasound looks clear, no abnormalities detected. Vitals are stable, doctor. I've updated the digital record. Excellent. This camel is approved for the processing line. Open the gate.
This batch looks good.
Agreed, send it through.
Ensure the large cuts are directed to chute 3.
Yes, Supervisor. The boti portions are clear?
We need another tray for the medium chunks here.
Advanced vacuum machines remove air from the meat packages and create airtight seals. The technology helps protect freshness.
Everything matches the codes here.
Looks correct. Send it through.